Yeah, well, I fucked up, and I have to do a video of the video because I don't have Wi-Fi, and I haven't been able to do a video for 2 days. I just moved to this place, so I gotta get a router set up. But anyways, I forgot about that my Wi-Fi wasn't working, so I tried changing the chart, and it wouldn't load back up, so I have to do a video of the video that I just took, just so I can have a chart to look at. But anyways, yes, as today it's August 28th, 2019. I'm using Thinkorswim because my Ninja Trader isn't really loading right now. But anyways, yeah, the market it's been moving sideways for the last week, 2 weeks actually. It's just been moving sideways, staying up 2900, 2800 range. Just been bouncing in between there. Uh, ever since the Fed cut pullback. So it's just been ranging every day almost. But anyways, today, uh, so far the market I'd say has been on an uptrend, or has been turning up since open. Uh, earlier, or I wish I could go back, but I can't go back. But yeah, the market yesterday was running around 2900, pulled down, staying at this level. Only about like 15, 20 ticks. Not much volume has been in the market, really. It's just bad battle of the bears and the bulls at this point. Uh, we had a low today of 2850. Market kind of pulled down this morning, or well, not pulled down, but was ranging this morning. And then as soon as the market opened, we had a bunch of buying pressure and buying volume. Pushed the market up about 15 points, 18 points, and then running through here. Just you could have got Italy's these pullbacks, a strong uptrend, but I wouldn't have taken any of those trades. I like to look for more for of a real sign whenever trading to get in one. Uh, right here wouldn't have been a bad moment to get in on this pullback, and then this huge candle coming up that will show you there's we're coming at a new retest of that high, but not really many short positions, I'd say. I'd say you could take a short up here at this retest, this high, a fail breakout of that high in this candle. You could have got a few points on that, but not really that many. Uh, I did take one trade. Really, it was just a short one. I was only looking to make like 5, 6 ticks on the trade. Just from the position we were in, it was right here. We had this pullback down about 10 points. Uh, had this green candle off the 21 moving average. We were on this strong uptrend. I was just looking for a bounce to get it a few ticks out of. Wasn't really looking for a retest of that high at the moment. I was going to wait for a pullback and then the fail breakout or down of this pullback and then this huge candle right here. But instead, I took the trade right here. I should have waited. I mean, I still made money on that trade, but uh, for future references, I should have waited till the second test. And after this failing to go any lower, and then seeing green, that just confirms the direction of the market that we're in a strong uptrend, especially at the support level. But oh well, still made a few ticks on here. Only one contract trade right there. Right here would have been a nice opportunity to get in. A little volatility when you get up here. Just you could get whiplashed out here, depending on how tight your stop loss is. Like if you have a 2 point stop loss right here, then you're getting whipped out right there, which kind of pisses you off in moments like that. It's still trending up, but it just moves so much through the range of the candle that it just takes you out of your position. And then we had some more buying pressure to lead us back up here. And then this is where we're at. Last time I had Wi-Fi. Really sucks not having Wi-Fi. But yeah, I like the new trading strategy that I've been running. I only trade from 9:30 to 11:30. in the morning. So no, I just feel like price action works the best that way. Who knows? I like to, let's see. There's a lot of reasons why I like trading in that time. The volume is usually the highest, and then around noon comes, or before noon, is when people go to lunch, and there's not enough volume in the market. And after that, you know, a lot of people have already made their money in the morning, so they're not trading in the afternoon. But and I feel like there's less volume in the afternoon too. I just like a sweet spot, 9:30 to 11:30. And another thing I need to work on with my strategy is if I'm going in on a two contract trade to, just for risk management, uh, I have like a 6 tick stop loss, 7 tick, depending on where I'm at in the position and where the support level is. No more than 2 points, because then if you have more than 2 points, then your losses are just going to take out your gains. You got to have your gains. You got to have a nice ratio with that. But and then on a two contract trade, I have a stop loss about 6, 8 points max, and then I take the first contract out around 4 ticks to make just hear that profit. And then when I take that out, I like to move my stop loss up to where I break even on the trade rather than make nothing. You know, sometimes I I used to try to move my stop loss up to where uh, I bought just to keep yeah, that's to break even, but to keep my profits. But I don't like moving up too much because then you don't want to get stopped out and then your trade not go through. So I like to take that 4 tick profit and then move my stop loss up a couple points and then get in on the second contract, still have the second contract running, and then have my price target at 10 ticks on the second contract while that's running. And yeah, I don't know. I've been working on it. I just gotta do some math and look more into it. It's just I haven't had Wi-Fi for 2 days and still moving into my apartment. So these last 2 days I've been busy. Haven't really had the opportunity just to sit down and uh, do some recaps this week. And that I was in Colorado last week. So I've just been busy this last week and a half. I don't really like it. I hate being off schedule and out of routine. But definitely making sure I'll be back in my routine by the end of this week. Yeah, that's it for the video today. I'll make a recap video of the market yesterday tonight too. As soon as I get my Wi-Fi, I'm picking up a router at 1:30. So I might be able to do it before then. I might actually probably do another video of this in case this one I don't like it. I'll have Wi-Fi and look at the chart data more and go back and go forward in current time. But yeah, that's it for the video today. Later.